Very loud, so make sure you have your children close at hand from the right. Royal Air Force Typhoon. Inside of a barrel. It's quite a difficult manoeuvre to perform, but now Tom's pulling the aircraft round. The G increases as he comes onto what we call the B axis, directly in front of you. Tom now accelerating the aircraft up to around about 500 miles an hour at 500 feet. He calls this the Reuben manoeuvre. So here's Tom pushing the aircraft round, hanging in his straps, -3G, very usually the manoeuvre to see a little bit of trickle, just jumping from the top of it as you saw there, it's perfectly normal. Crown centre, then holding the aircraft inverted. As Tom repositions, he's going to fly another barrel roll directly at you before going into what we call a maximum rate turn. The idea being to turn the aircraft through a full 360 degrees in as little distance as possible. So once again, Tom opening those throttles up even further, just below 700 miles per hour on this pass, as he goes into a high-speed double aileron roll. But just listen now how that sound has decreased. We've gone from 700 miles per hour all the way down. Slow speed's so important in any aircraft, especially in an interceptor. Typhoons have been called upon to intercept what we call general aviation aircraft. and also helicopters. So here the speed bleeds right off. We're down to 130, 140 knots here. With a bit of headwind, that will look even slower. Indeed, after that last pass, the aircraft just seems to be hanging in the air. Fully open from 130 knots back up to 700 knots for his last pass today. This is Flight Lieutenant Todd Nation in the Royal Air Force Typhoon.